What you all going to do?
Today we're gonna hunt strawberries.
Strawberry? No strawberry. Not there. Oh, it's over here, over here, over here. I can see.
Wow,
I can
strawberries.
see. Strawberry? Where?
Yeah, see? Very big.
Let's see. Where?
Here. It's very big, see?
Oh, wow. Not bad, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that. See.
Hello.
I got one.
Oh, I'm here.
Ripe. You can eat now, Tani. See, these are too bad, but
Yeah, you try to taste.
you have to wash it.
Taste. Yeah.
Mmm.
Appa, I saw down there. Can you just help me? Oh my God! Look at grandma. Look at how much grandma got. Look at how much grandma got. Ah, there's one there.
I think you got enough.
Yeah, I got it. Some of them are red and some of them are no. There. I thought I'm making a shake.
Shake, okay.
Will it work?
Yeah, it will. You create shake later on. Okay, take now.
It's sweet.
Mixed fruit shake. Mixed. Mixed fruit. Milk. Sugar. Chocolate, yeah. Drinking chocolate. Yeah. That is good for thing. It will add color also, as well as make it more delicious. Too much. Add water and add. Tasty.
Yummy.
Let do. Shime. Huh? Wait, Loco.
Yes.
Tasty?
Yes.